In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your PayPal password. If you want to keep your account secure, updating your password from time to time is a smart and simple habit. This is especially useful if you think your password may be too old, too easy to guess, or if you've used it somewhere else before. The good news is that PayPal makes this process quick, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, log into your PayPal account as you normally would. Once you're on the main account page, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon there, which opens your account settings. Go ahead and click that icon to continue. After that, you'll be taken into the settings area for your account. From here, find the security section and open it. This is where PayPal keeps the options related to protecting your account, including your login details and password settings. Inside the security section, look for the password option. When you find it, click on it to start the password change process. PayPal will then ask you to confirm some information before allowing the update, which is completely normal and helps keep your account protected. Now enter your current password in the first field. After that, type your new password into the next field. Make sure your new password is something strong and unique. A good password usually combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers and symbols, and it should be something you don't use for other accounts. If possible, avoid obvious words or easy patterns so your account stays more secure. Once you've entered your current password and your new one correctly, click the Change Password button. PayPal will save the update and your password will be changed right away. And that's it. Your PayPal password has now been updated. As a final tip, after changing your password, make sure to remember it or store it safely in a trusted password manager so you don't get locked out later. It's also a good idea to review your other security settings when you're already in this section, just to make sure everything looks good. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to change your PayPal password.